Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 5 mathematics class. I hope you finished all the activities we mentioned in the previous class. So we have been learning about large numbers. We saw the concept of place value, the place value chart and all. We learned all these based on the Indian system of numeration. So today we'll talk about a different system of numeration called the International System of Numeration. So before digging deep into that, let's see the important concepts in Indian system of numeration once again. This is the place value chart for the Indian system. You can see the places marked here. You have the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and so on. And at the top, you can see the places are grouped together to form periods. You have the ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. In the ones period alone, you have 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. All the other higher periods are 2 places in each of them. Here is a number represented according to the Indian system. How do we read this number? We know it's easier to read the number if we insert commas in between to separate the periods. So let's insert commas in between to separate them. How do we group the number? We start grouping from right to left. So ones, tens, hundreds, a comma here, thousands, 10,000s, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, then crores and 10 crores. So this one separates the thousands and ones period. This comma separates lakhs and thousands, and this comma separates the crores and lakhs. Now, how do we read this number? We read the number according to the place values of its digits. All the digits that come under the same period are always read together, and the name of the period is read alongside. So these two come under this period. These 2 digits come under this period, these 2 digits come under this period and these 3 digits come under this period. So let's read this number. How do we read this number? It is 82 crore, 75 lakh, 43,201. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's talk about the International System of Numeration. This is the place value chart according to the international system. You can see the places here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and after 10,000, instead of lakh, you have 100,000, then million, 10 millions, and 100 millions. You can see the periods marked at the top. You have the ones period, thousands period, and millions period in this case. Note that unlike the Indian system, you have 3 places in each of these periods. Here is an example of a number written in the place value chart for international system. So you have 7 ones, 5 tens, 4 hundreds, 3 thousands, 2 10,000s or 20,000, 8 100,000s or 800,000 and 1 million and 5 10 million or 50 millions as the place values of the digits in this one. So how do we read this number? Like the Indian system, let's insert commas in between to separate the periods so that it will be easier to read. So how do we insert comma? We start grouping from right to left. So ones, tens, hundreds, a comma here, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s, then millions, 10 millions and so on. So how do we read this number now? Like the Indian system, the digits that come under the same period are read together and the name of the period is read alongside. So these 2 come under the millions period, these 3 come under the thousands period, these 3 come under the ones period. So let's try reading the number. It is 51,823,457. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see how the place values are read differently in the Indian system and the international system with the same example. Okay, so this is the Indian place value chart. This is the international place value chart. It is the same number. So here 7 ones, 5 tens, 4 hundreds, 3 thousands, 2 10,000s. Thereafter it changes. Thereafter in the Indian system is 8 lakhs. For the international system, it's 800,000s. Indian system, it is 1, 10 lakhs or 10 lakh. In international system, we say that as 1 million. And here it's 5 crores, whereas in the international system, it is 5, 10 millions or 50 million. So let's have a comparison. See, from ones to 10,000s, the places are mentioned the same way in both Indian and international system. Thereafter, it changes. 1 lakh in the Indian system is read as 100,000 in the international system. And 10 lakh is read as 1 million. And 1 crore is read as 10 million. 1 lakh in the Indian system come under the lakh spirit, whereas the equivalent 100,000 of the international system come under the thousand spirit. So I hope the difference is clear to you. Now we'll do an activity. Take your notebook. Please note down these two numbers. You have to insert commas in between to separate the periods and also write the number name corresponding to these two numbers. You can pause the video, finish the activity and come back. I hope you finished the activity. Now let's see the answers. So here is the first number. We have inserted the commas by grouping from right to left. So ones, tens, hundreds, we put a comma, then the thousands period and millions period. So how do we read this number? It's 24,108,573. That's the number name for this one. Here, this is the ones period, thousands period and millions period. So this one is 975,362,148. I hope your answers are correct. As an activity for the day, all of you please go through the topic Indian system and international system of numeration in your textbook. Then do all the questions from exercise 1.5 in page number 11. So today we talked about the Indian system and the international system of numeration. I hope the concepts are clear to you. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Until then, bye.